video we Hello explorers, and welcome to another video of our Cape Town series. In this episode we're focusing on a bit of a budget activities in Cape Town, and then we're going to show you the most beautiful Bloubergstrand. But as you can see, we are starting at the beautiful colourful houses in Bo-Kaap. The bright colors of the Bo-Kaap houses is a vibrant expression of freedom and joy as the slaves were allowed to buy property.
I must say, it was pretty cool walking along all the different colored houses. For a free activity, this is worth it. You can even see the Table Mountain in the background on a clear day. If you are into art, there's a collection of art galleries you can visit. For our second free activity, we strolled along Sea Point Promenade. There is a lot of activities you can do along the route that stretches from Sea Point to Greenpoint. The views on this walk was the best part.
And welcome to Greenpoint Park. Remember to put your exercise clothes on, otherwise you'll feel like a proper tourist. Welcome to Signal Hill. This is absolutely free and you can enjoy as much as you like of this epic view.
Signal Hill was our third free activity with epic views all around. The name originated from this hill being used for signal flags to communicate with ships. It is also home to the noon gun, a tradition dating back to 1806. This is a very famous spot to enjoy an incredible sunset. You can also start your hike here to the breathtaking Lion's Head if you want to, or just grab a snack from one of the food trucks and enjoy the views. Guys, for a bonus free activity, walking along Blaubergstrand is absolutely worth it, and it's free. While staying in Blauberg, waking up one morning to a commotion outside, we quickly realized something cool was happening. The event was Transugala's Challenge. Watching the boats speed along the preset course was amazing to witness. Remember guys, visiting Cape Town, you will probably experience 4 seasons in one day, so come prepared.
special to us. Joe asked me 10 years ago to marry him, and it's a privilege to be here after 10 years. We hope you enjoyed this video on a low budget, and that's why Blaubergstrand is so special to us. Stay tuned to see our most amazing sunset we enjoyed at Mozambique restaurant in Blaubergstrand. We see you in the next one. Bye!